China is now witnessing unprecedented historical opportunities with ever-changing urbanization and industrialization, boosting the rapid development of whole electrical industry. The investments in the grid are on the rise, with increasingly demands for power transmission lines, especially extra high voltage and ultra high voltage lines, with the national policy, namely sending the power from the west to the east, balancing the power between the north and the south, and connecting the nationwide grid. The steel tower market sees a soaring expansion. Fengfan Power Equipment Company Limited, footed in Yangtze River Delta, has been striving to be an internationally first-rate steel tower company by selling products all over China and throughout the world. Where there is grid, there is Fengfan Service. Changzhou Fengfan Power Equipment Company Limited. To strive for excellence and stand out with perfection, Fengfan Company Limited has provided steel towers to China's first 500 kV single tower 4-circuit line, first AC 750 kV line, and first AC 1000 kV line, as well as frameworks for 1000 kV transformer lines. Fengfan Company Limited is the first company that successfully produces and runs the insulated pole tower of composite materials of its own intellectual property in China. By its outstanding competitive advantages in technology, quality, brand, and market, Fengfan Company Limited has been developing rapidly and has become one of the major suppliers of domestic power steel towers, leading in the extra high voltage and ultra high voltage towers. Years of painstaking efforts have brought vast stores of clients. To be specific, the company's products have already been applied in around 20 provinces throughout the country and have entered the international market, even exporting to Australia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America, etc. Fengfan is the only Chinese steel tower supplier recognized by the Australian market, establishing business relations with 4 major power line contractors of Australian 3 power companies. Fengfan Company Limited is available in a wide range of products. For instance, the company has got 750 kV power steel tower manufacturer license, radio communication steel tower and pole manufacturer license issued by General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine of China, and passed ISO 9001-2008. Fengfan Company Limited is one of the few domestic companies that are capable of producing 1000 kV power transmission towers and 1000 kV transformer frameworks. Relying on the distinctive designing and manufacturing capability, Fengfan Company Limited takes the chance to figure in the international market. As one leading competitive brand, Fengfan Company Limited has managed to complete lots of major projects, constantly creating a series of records in the steel tower industry through the past few years. Top power transmission steel tower in tower height in the world, 500 kV Jiangyin Yangtze River Crossing Project. Top power transmission steel tower above sea level in the world, Tibet Na'an Line Project. The first 750 kV Guanlan Line Demonstration Project in China. The first 500 kV single tower 4-circuit line, Lixi Line Demonstration Project in China. The first 1000 kV Qin-Nanjing Extra High Voltage Demonstration Project of State Grid. the first 1000 kV SZT2 steel tubular tower with welding neck flange in China, plus minus 800 kV Xiangjiaba Shanghai ultra-high voltage transmission line demonstration project. In the grid industry, technology is the key successful factor. Holding fast to the policy of production, learning, research, Fengfan Company Limited has been focusing on the R&D technology to improve the core competitiveness. The company has actively developed new materials and technology, such as anti-icing paint, cement-based composite materials, winning 8 patents and 39 patent applications being reviewed by the State Intellectual Property Office. The trend of power steel tower industry is the variety and sophistication, such as the pole tower made of composite materials, which is of high technological content and enjoys a broad market due to its quality advantage. But currently in China, few steel tower companies are touching this. Fengfan Company Limited is emphasizing the high-end products and their R&D, with great leading advantage in pole tower made of composite materials, while this is still rarely noticed among domestic competitors. In December 2009, the first domestic high-voltage steel tower typically made with the materials that provide excellent electrical insulation was researched and produced by CSTC on its own and applied in demonstration project of State Grid, namely resource economical, environment friendly, new technology, new material and new craft. Jiangsu Province Lianyungang 220 kV Maojiang Line renovation project, which reached a milestone in the application of electric power materials. Leading the industry starts from cost efficiency. In the traditional manufacturing industry, cost management has fallen into the categories of Fengfan Company Limited secrets to success. All-around cost control measures such as lean management, raw material cost control, and composition optimization to improve material yield have helped Fengfan Company Limited maintain competitive profitability in the industry. Driven by market demands, taking technical innovation as a key strategy, and developing market through solid customer cooperation, Fengfan Company Limited has maintained sustainable development since its establishment. Carefully plan before you act, Mr. Fan Jiangang, the president of Fengfan Company Limited, has been devoting his inspirations and passions since the establishment of the company. Every Fengfan people has a faith to striving for perfection. Fengfan Company Limited has been managing the steel tower career with strictness, diligence, sincerity, and honesty, standing at the summit of China's steel tower industry. With thorough understanding of the industry and foresighted strategy, holding the enthusiasm to contribute to China's grid constructions, Fengfan Company Limited has set up a conscientious and professional management team to write a splendid development chapter for the company with wisdom, integrity, persistence, and passion. Sparing no effort from good to great, conforming to the industrial trend, adhering to the management concepts of people-oriented, innovation-based, honesty and harmony foremost, and perfection targeted, taking the advantage of nationwide constructions of grid networks. Fengfan Company Limited is taking the lead in China's steel tower industry and exerting itself to facilitate the development of the industry with its first-rate technology, service, and quality.